Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to make strawberry cream cups. Let's start. So you will need 15 strawberries and you'll need to blend them and turn them into a strawberry paste. Just like this. Now take a pan and cook the strawberry paste in medium flame. Now you're going to add 4 tablespoons of icing sugar so it can be sweet because strawberries are very sour. Now our strawberry paste is ready, let it cool down. Next we are going to prepare the whipping cream. For that we will need whipping powder. Each packet has 2, so we are going to use 2 packets. Now you are going to add chilled milk to the powder and blend, but you have to add milk gradually, not all at once. You can see now it's turning into whipped cream, and now keep blending until it stiff peaks and doesn't fall off. Now you're going to add whipping cream. This is optional, but adding this will make it more smoother. So this is the Puck brand that I used. Now you can see our whipping cream is ready because it is stiff peaked. It's not falling off. Now let it cool down for 15 minutes in the refrigerator. Now you can use any biscuit, but it should be without cream. Here I have used digestive biscuit. Now add 4 tablespoons of butter. And remember, it must not be a paste kind of. It must be like biscuit crumbs. Add butter gradually. Now you can see it's ready like this. It's not a paste, it still crumbles. Now everything is set it up, even the whipping cream and the strawberry paste. So now let's start assembling. Strawberry paste, whipping cream, chopped strawberries and some strawberries for the toppings. So let's start. Here take a small glass and add some biscuit at the base. Now the second step you have to do is fill it with whipping cream. Just like this. Now after whipping cream we are going to add some chopped strawberries. Then again we are going to add some biscuit layering. Now then after biscuit we are going to add the strawberry paste. It should be covered fully like this. Next we are again going to add a layering of frosting. Now again we are going to add the chopped strawberries. We have to fill the cup till the top. Now after adding chopped strawberries we are going to again add some biscuits. And then the strawberry paste, and after that again one layering of the frosting like this. Now a strawberry to decorate and add some biscuits for the toppings. Now same as this, you can make mini glasses. You can just look at the layering. After preparing glasses, our strawberry cream cups are ready to eat and they look really tasty, and they are really tasty. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share.